presentation so that we, without mincing words, we can go ahead and uh, you please try to manage things within 7 minutes or so. I will be very happy if that could be done. So
Yes, sir.
each one
Yes.
of you will get some opportunity, and then we should get at least 10 minute time so that we can speak about our future goals of journey. I am of the very
Yes, sir.
considered view that Smart India Hackathon is just a beginning of a journey. we
Absolutely,
will
sir.
be we will
Yes,
be
sir.
moving ahead after this, and then there will be
Sure.
a formal जो है MOU with your institute and university, and we would like that let's join hands to transform our nation. So we will not be working for a small solution. We will be working for bigger solution. We will be working for bigger vision. Though you may be working on a small part of that bigger vision, but that has to be the part of very big vision, and we will try to achieve big things. And I very fondly say, and I often repeat that we together will change the face and fate of our country. So we will not
Absolutely,
talk
sir.
Yes,
small
sir.
things. We
Sure,
will
sir.
talk.
Sure, sir.
So that should be our spirit. Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Great, great. So please, someone should take a lead and start presentation. It's your day.
So, actually,
Shivam.
we all are from the same team, Tech Demons.
Okay.
It's okay. Let me start presentation. Should I share the screen, sir?
Yeah, I think one of you have to quit because then only you will get the place for your screen. So one person who is not important, he should create a room for your screen. Are you
Okay,
getting my
sir.
point? So you can decide among yourself. Yeah, you can stay in lobby, and then from lobby you can watch, and one screen has to be vacated for your presentation, for your partner.
Okay, sir. So, like, one of us have to leave this meeting and wait in the lobby and can see all of us.
Yeah,
Should
and I
I?
think you will be the best judge who should leave. So you decide among yourself.
Yeah. Anyone, guys? Come on. I don't want to decide.
Okay, so she quoted. Okay, good.
Yeah.
It is a wonderful, and let's appreciate her contribution, because
Absolutely.
leaving a space is a big thing. People don't want to
So it's a sacrifice, sir.
it's a sacrifice. You right? You rightly said so. You rightly said so.
So, I'm sharing the screen, sir. Is it visible?
Not yet.
Not you know.
Yeah. Now it is cropping.
It's visible.
All right, sir.
Yeah, it is visible. It is visible.
Our we are the people. We are the six people: Shivam, Satya, Manshika, Rabia, Karit, and Saurav. So, moving on to the problem statement. Of course, it is about recognizing and tracking baggages when we are giving a certain scenario, a city, and covering distributed CCTV systems, multiple CCTV footages. So, what we have done, sir, is like we can track the objects by setting a target first, then applying that target to all the videos, all the CCTV videos footages. So for setting up a target, we are focusing major on three parts. Let's say when we give a particular side of that bag, a bag may have six sides or four sides. So what we are doing, taking each and every side of the bag, setting up as a picture to the screen to our software, and then analyze that. I think it will be best understood when I show a demo. Right, so this is one of them. Let's say I want to add a new case, and that case is, let's say, demo. Why not? Demo test back, and I'm generating an ID. What it is doing? It is generating a test case ID for a particular target. Inside this, what we can do, we can set the target, and we are trying to set the four sides of the target. If not, even one will work. Let's say I'm doing the front side and choosing an image. That image, let's say it is this one. Now, what it is doing is whatever features are there on the bag, let's say any marks or any logo or any sort of features, because every bag is of different type. It can be a backpack, it can be a luggage or suitcase, it may have some organization stickers. So analyzing all of them, we can get the features first thing and the
Uh,
colors. So
so
yes
are you
sir.
speaking because I'm not listening you?
Oh,
Am I not audible?
you're audible.
For me, nothing is audible.
We are not able to see you.
Are you explaining it also?
Yes sir, I'm
Yes,
explaining
sir.
Yes,
everything.
Hello.
hello. Yes, sir.
I will do one thing. Probably there
Yes,
may be
sir.
problem at my end. So
Yes,
should I
sir. Because
quickly quit and come back?
Yes, sir.
Okay
Sure,
sir,
sir.
sure.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir. We are waiting. Yes.
Yeah, there was some problem at my end. Sorry for that
No
because I
problem
was
sir.
unable
Yes,
to
sir.
hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah,
I'm sharing the screen again.
please. You can be little quick. Huh?
Sure.
Okay.
Am I visible sir? The screen is visible.
Not yet.
Is it now visible sir?
Not yet.
No.
No, Shivam. No, Shivam. It's not.
I think he has exited to come back.
Yes, sir. He's trying to join again.
Yes, sir. He's rejoining.
Yeah.
So, in the meantime, I would like to explain, like our
Oh, that will be
project
great.
do, yeah, sir. So, sir, our project do justice with the problem statement provided by the MP government. What we do is we have made the project in such a way that it can track any bag, like any bag the user desire to track.
Sir,
So,
he's
Okay.
back.
Shivam,
Yeah. So actually, I'm very sure you sir is avail sir know about the problem statement. I'm just giving a quick demo how exactly we are working and what are the things we are required.
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So let's say for developing targeting any object, what we do is first we create a case ID. That case ID will contain all the saved data about that particular target, whatever it is. So I'm creating a case with any of the name, generating a case ID.
Here, should I say that basically in your focus, it is a criminal or his associate, and the baggage and accessory is extension of the criminal or associate.
Okay, sir. Yeah, you may say that.
So once we are identifying a baggage, the
Hmm.
focus will always to whom it has to be associated. So one is the identity of the vehicle, peculiarity of vehicle, things of the of a baggage and accessories, and then we have to really identify the frequency of use. Then we have to identify uh, when it has been acquired. So those kind of the detail and whether we can really correlate it with the crime or not. because say if somebody say baggage is costly baggage, and the person is having no other means of livelihood, or he is not having any earning, then a
Mm-hmm.
new acquisition would be inferred that probably he has committed some crime, and from that
Mm-hmm.
proceed of that crime, he had purchased this bag. So bag may be having the two source. The bag may come from the crime itself. So if he has stolen a bag from somebody and he is using it, so the bag
Yeah.
is directly connected with the crime. And second,
Right.
uh, he purchased the bag by the proceed of a crime. But in both the cases, our presumption could be that it is a costly thing. Probably he may
Mm-hmm.
not be having any other means of earning, and
Mm-hmm.
probably this new acquisition could be directly correlated with the crime. Now we are trying to read between lines, so it is say not only recognizing baggage or accessories, and we are going much beyond how that baggage could be interpreted vis-a-vis the larger criminal scenario.
Right. So our software should be able to know
And
exactly the person.
in future, we can even, as we are talking in vehicle, that we are acquiring 360 image of a vehicle, probably in a volunteer app or citizen app, we can give the feature so the people can extract the 360-degree of their baggage and accessories, and
Mm-hmm.
that remain in their memory. So as and when that baggage or accessory that it has become victim of a crime, he can immediately share those images which has been very smartly captured. So they
Mm-hmm.
need not to share those images till no crime has been committed. They can just stay with them. But when some crime has been committed, they can share it with us, and probably we can smartly connect it with if it has come in the possession of some criminal and those kind of things. So
Right. Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
first of important thing, you have to understand a criminal, then you have to understand the associates, and the baggage and accessories we are trying to baggage and accessories we are trying to capture of those criminal or associates, not public at large. Number one, public
Okay.
at large, we can, since we are coming out with a an app for all citizens, and we have given the name voluntary app. That app would be helping them to have a different kind of role which they can play, and for revenue stream will be coming to that. In addition of that, we can allow through this app that they can capture the image of the baggage, accessories, and valuables. Those images will remain a repository, their personal repository. That will not go to any database. That should stay with
Okay.
them. Only when some crime has been committed, that could be shared, and then it will be attached with the crime which has been reported. Because keeping in mind, say, privacy of the person, why we should be interested in the baggage and accessories and their
Right.
acquisitions
Right.
and valuables? Let it stay with the citizen as their property. The images and everything should be their property. We are just trying to fill a gap, because when crime has been committed, they are having the ready-made things available with them to report. Because telling something verbally is a very inefficient process.
A
So
proof is a better way.
yeah, so I think if it can largely contribute these three purposes, then your job has been done.
Yeah. So I'm asking a doubt.
Yeah.
In future, it may happen that if any person buy any bags, so that citizen is having a 360 images of that bag with him only. Is that thing?
What we can say, I got your point. Basically,
Yeah.
saying, whatever your software, that software should generate or capture 360-degree things, including any wear and tear and that kind of thing, right?
Right.
So the person, when he is acquiring or he is already having some valuable, he can
Mm-hmm.
that through this software they can take the image or 360-degree capturing, and whatever they are, and it may not be about the baggage, it may be about the accessories, it may be about the valuables.
Mm.
Whatever they are capturing, that need not to be shared with anyone. Let it
Okay.
remain in their personal database, because we greatly value their privacy.
Privacy.
And we do not really want to have those images with us in our database. No, not at all. But when he himself become victim of a crime, and then now this thing has to be reported कि साहब ये मेरा मोबाइल गायब हो गया, मेरी घड़ी गायब चोरी हो गई, ये चोरी हो गया, वो चोरी हो गया, मेरा बैग चोरी हो गया, तो उसको डिस्क्राइब करना उस समय उनके लिए बड़ा मुश्किल काम हो जाता है.
Yes,
If
sir.
that is already captured and available, then it is a question of attaching, and when they will attach for a particular crime which has been committed with them. So
Got it, sir.
this part has become of a general public. Otherwise, we are only interested in the baggage and accessories of the criminal or their associates.
Okay. So, as storing about 360-degree images of that object or accessories or baggage, what we have done is we are storing each and every side of the bag separately. So, if you are getting a 360-degree video or any footage, so we can store it in our database.
But just a minute. But from where you will get these images? Because you are getting the images from CCTV cameras or from IoT devices, and they will be all chance capturing. So it is not something like that. You take or revolve your cameras along them, and then you are getting 360 degree. That is not going to happen. It means
okay.
the images you will be acquiring maybe through the multiple incidences. हेलो मॉर्निंग में आपको एक व्यू मिल गया है, दोपहर में वो दोबारा निकला तो कोई दूसरा व्यू मिल गया है, फिर वो शाम को निकला तो कोई तीसरा व्यू मिल गया, and you are trying to show each view which is coming in your possession in your database, and that's how you are getting trying to capture 360 degree. May not be in one go, maybe in a distributed go, may not be from one location, maybe from different locations.
That is why, sir, we have created a case ID. Let's say we only have the front side and we don't have the other side. So later in the future, we can add other sides as well, or we can even update the side.
Basically, this side, there are two things. Number one, ID of a baggage or accessories, and ID of the person to whom it belongs. So in one case, it may be a genuine owner of that baggage, and in another case, the person either जो है ना, he has stolen it, or he has purchased that baggage for the stolen or that proceed of stolen property. So these could be the different scenario. Now, now our database should be smart to really capture these details, because otherwise, in isolation, this database will not be helping us.
Okay, sir.
And this is one part of it. Then baggage and accessories may be read in conjunction for identity. So, जैसे कि दूसरे जो problem statement है, they are working on the face, expression and gesture. Somebody is working on cloth. Somebody is working on vehicle. You are working on baggage and accessories. So, say somebody is putting one, say ring. So ring is an accessory on his body, and then that can be an additional help in establishing the identity of a person, especially in many situations when the face is hidden, you are putting a mask, or sometimes you are covering your face. Then these additional attributes will be helping you to identify that person. So your baggage may serve as an additional tool to identify that person, because हमें मालूम है कि इस baggage के साथ ही एक criminal निकला हुआ है, और the same baggage is being seen along with him, though his face is covered, but we know it. आप जैसे मान लो ATM की चोरी में कोई baggage है जिसमें टूल वूल रख के लेके निकलता है, right? अब now when he is entering an ATM at the time of committing crime, his face and everything is covered, but he is carrying that baggage because he has kept certain tools and accessories which he will be using for committing crime. So that baggage has been located on them, right? Now from the baggage you can connect the individual. That's kind of the interplay we want to have, and that kind of the things we want to have in my mind, and that kind of the database we have to build, and that kind of the analytics we have to build.
Okay, yes, sir. So this application is completely API based. So if other applications are there, it can be integrated, like person, vehicle, and such other things. So there won't be any problem in integration of this application with other applications.
All right.
Okay. So let me just show you one thing. If I'm creating any database of a target, so let's say demo for testing. This one. So over here, what we can do is we can add some images of that baggage we want to associate is having. Let's say that baggage of this specifically green color. So I'm adding a certain side of it. What we are looking forward to 360 degree, because sometimes it may have some other side and sometimes it may have some other side, because color is the camera is at a static location. So what after we do is setting the target is we select the color, because it's just giving us all the colors which are there on the screen on that particular image. So after selecting the color of that bag particularly,
Why
it
it is
creates.
not automatically reading it? Why we need to select?
Okay, sir. If we do this automatically, what we get a result is sometimes the legs are coming, let's say in this public area. Something must be coming in some other way. And let's say the bag is half covered and there is some red cloth on it. Our marking scheme will be, this is a bag. And if we will not select by ourselves, but it will select red color as well. That red color is also there on the bag. So we need to differentiate that the red is not on the back and it is just of green color.
Mm, not really. It may not be a smart way. Basically, if certain portion is red, so let that portion, whatever red, could be shown as a red. Why we want a single color to be pasted across? So if it is having 10 color, let all 10 colors should be captured. And why we should do a smart superimposition or integration, that if it is having the different colors on the different side and different sticker or different kind of the things, it should come whatever it is,
It
rather
is
than
coming, sir.
allowing a color to be put on it.
Yeah, so we are, let's say,
Say,
while the select.
basically, let me put this way. Even this is useful. This is useful when you don't have a image, right? Are you getting my point? जैसे अज्यूम करिए कि मेरा बैग चोरी चला गया, अब मैं अपने मुंह से कैसे बता पाऊँ? मैं नहीं बता पा रहा हूँ, तो मैंने कहा कि मेरा वीआईपी का बैग है, तो उसमें वीआईपी के ढेर सारे बैग दिखा दिए। आप उसमें सेलेक्ट किया कि सर हाँ इस तरीके का मेरा बैग है। देन उसने कहा साहब ये यहाँ पे एक कलर लगा हुआ है। देन उसने कहा सर हमने यहाँ पे एक स्टिकर लगाया हुआ था, फीता बांधा हुआ था। So then the person can put a fita also. But this approach is a more of creating a bag through a portrait building. मतलब हम उस baggage creation कर रहे हैं by collecting information from the victim or from a witness, right?
Right, sir.
This is this method. And the second way, when we are processing the feed given by the IoT device and from CCTV device. So if you are doing this for the sake of creation of a baggage which could best represent a baggage of a victim whose this baggage has been taken away or has been stolen, that is one part of the story, right? Then it will be closer to a baggage portrait building, right? Baggage की फोटो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. To that extent, we said that in our case we would be request the citizens, then they can capture their valuables and then they can keep with them. If they have done that, probably this exercise need not to be done. So long as we are creating or helping out criminal to describe his baggage, this approach is perfectly fine. But this approach is absolutely not acceptable if you are talking of processing of a feed from a CCTV or IoT. Is it making sense to you?
Yeah, it is.
Because we have described the situation. In one situation, we are trying to help out a victim so that he can describe his baggage to the best possible. Here we can even have the system might have to create even stickers and pitas and लोग कई बार अपना कोई कपड़ा बांध देते हैं, so that especially that happens
Color.
when you travel by air. तो बहुत सारे बैगेज आते हैं, तो अपना बैगेज कैसे दूर से पहचाने, so people put something or something, some sticker, some pita, some cloth, something, some peculiarity they will put. So not only creating the baggage and even putting those peculiarity could also be the part of the software. But again, this is an attempt to help out victim to describe his baggage to the close it is possible. Now it has nothing to do with the feed of CCTV. It has nothing to do with the feed from IoT device. It is at most जो है serving some purpose which we are trying to capture through the voluntary app or citizen app, where we may try to advise the people can then they can take the 360 views of their baggage.
I'm getting
sense to you.
Yeah, like instead of just straightforward giving an image, describing in baggage.
हाँ,
By
so
that description,
but we are trying, you are trying to say अपन जो है ना सामने वाले के मुंह दांत सब दिखा के एक कंप्यूटर से पोर्ट्रेट बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, and we try to go closer to the person जैसा वे जो है क्रिमिनल या सस्पेक्ट ऐसा था, राइट? अब अपन किसी चीज को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं बैगेज में कि जो विक्टिम का बैगेज है वो जो चुरा लिया गया वो कैसा था। अब शब्दों से तो कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है। So by giving him options, by allowing him to select color, by allowing him to put a sticker, we are trying to describe that baggage to the best of the possible capability, whatever the best possible way of doing it. That could be the one way. That could be the one way, right?
Yes.
The second could be that, as we said, that we can allow the people to capture their valuables, their baggage, and their accessories in the 360 degree, and
then
that whatever they are capturing, it must stay with the person concerned only, keeping in mind their own privacy. Right. They can only share those details if, by the way, that same piece has become the victim of a crime, right?
Right.
यदि आपका बैगेज चुरा लिया गया, then they should share that image. Otherwise, those images and everything should stay with them only, right? And third part is when we are getting the live proceed from the cameras, and we are trying to read with the criminal or their associate. So now we are treating the baggage as an extension of the criminal, as an additional identity. अब जैसे मान लो एक क्रिमिनल है, से मैंने अभी टूल के बारे में कहा, इवन एक क्रिमिनल में कैरी है बैगेज जिसमें उसने कुछ कपड़े रखे हैं, बिकॉज ही नो कि कपड़ों के सहारे उसको पहचाना जा सकता है। तो जैसे ही उसने क्राइम किया, चैन स्नैचिंग किया, थोड़ी दूर गया वो गली में और उसने अपने कपड़े चेंज कर लिए और कपड़े बदल करके जो है ना उसने अपने जो पहने हुए था उसको बैग में डाला और कपड़े पहने और चल दिया। बट द बैगेज इज स्टिल स्टेइंग विद हिम. So the baggage will become the extended identity, and change of cloth will become additional proof.
Understood, sir. I understood all the three cases.
Yes, sir.
Now it is your job to tell me that whether your software is really meeting out these challenges and building out the database so that it can be very proactively used.
What I will say, sir, the second case you told about, when the citizens are gonna capture 360-degree images of their accessories or baggage, in that case, the software will work fine because they are having the images. In other way, we can develop such software in which they are describing everything. They are describing the type, they are describing the color. And then we can start tracking that baggages are.
And work on those features.
So,
and then
so should I presume that the things have not been done as you were expecting? So you can continue to work on it so that it can meet out the standard which I am having in my mind, because we are working with a very bigger vision.
Yeah, I can understand.
It is not a tool; it is a tool for crime-free Bharat.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
yes, sir.
So actually, by the problem statement, what we gained now was like we need to set the target and detect it. Initially, we were not aware about these three cases.
I think there was a doubt resolution, there was a 3 days briefing. I tried to give a very detailed thing.
Yes, sir. But in future, it is totally possible to do so.
Yeah.
So what we can decide is still, if we could not do it now, let's take it as a continuation, and we'll try to do it in next few days or in a week or even a 15 days. And let's not limit ourselves with the Smart India Hackathon. The Smart India
Yes, sir.
Hackathon is
Yeah.
a platform where we will get the opportunity, we got the appreciation, we got the award, but journey should be much beyond the Smart India Hackathon.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure.
can can we convert into then later on in a modified format? Can we devise as a
Yes, sir.
solution?
Totally, sir.
Can we then I mean looking for the larger objective, including having partnership with your institute and working with your other colleagues also on the other models for crime-free Bharat.
Yes, sir,
Yes, so
definitely.
we were thinking
Because
of
it is question
integrating
of
this with them. Sir, as this is totally implementable and sir integrable, and we were thinking of integrating it with other projects from other problem statements, like total product in the final.
great. So, do you want to show anything else or
Yes, sir.
Sir,
okay, please,
analysis part we want to show.
So some
please.
features.
Okay. And we have just covered the second case, second scenario, what you were saying. So let me show what happens with that. Once all the sides been set of that object, like say left, right, we can analyze that. So what it is doing right now, we have given some CCTV footages, CCTV videos to it. It is analyzing those videos and searching this particular object, whatever features we have gained, whatever color we have gained in that that particular image or video. After analyzing, it will tell us that in what all cameras it was detected with the location and the map and the exact time where it was detected. Also, we can see the video where it was detected. We can download the video. So that is part is done. So analyzing it, let me show you the video that we are getting out of it.
Okay,
Like this one. This is a 10 seconds video, and as you have seen what we were entering over there. So right there, the green bag, we were able to detect that green bag uniquely among all the bags that were there in this footage by its features and its colors.
okay,
Also, after detecting, we get a proper vision, get a proper view where that bag was and at what time it was detected. Because when the CCTV video stream comes, it of course comes with location and timestamp.
okay.
So it is just analyzing some. I'll just when the status get 100%, we'll be able to see that.
But I see lot of limitation of your solution
I
because
understand.
the very description is incomplete because it is not real. It is by more of a computer software building, and probably there might be some further details which might be missing, right? And then we have to really think of false positive and false negative, whether it is the same baggage or it is a similar looking baggage. So there's
Right.
it has to be then seen that whether we are talking of the same baggage or similar looking baggage. And same baggage or similar looking baggage, there's a lot of difference in that because it ऐसा ही दिखता था और उसमें क्या है you are looking at even the peculiarity which is peculiar to that particular baggage, hence it is the same baggage. Now
Sir,
this
it is
journey,
not working only on colors. It is also working on features like this bag has a zip line and a logo, a peculiarity specific to that bag. And so further we can implement it on like if a CCTV shows detections, we can only analyze the CCTV cameras around it so that the bag will be detected if it moves from one camera to another.
but why we are not doing the first part, that building the baggage from the CCTV, and then you are using that baggage on the some other CCTV. That is
That
a much
can be done.
smarter. That is the much
Yeah.
smarter way of doing it,
Yes,
where
sir.
without any assistance, say we know that this is a criminal. He is coming out from his criminal cluster. He is carrying a baggage. We are interested in baggage. The different cameras are capturing the different dimension. So the system is trying to identify each dimension, and then each dimension or each direction or each side of the image is being stored into the database, and the system is all the time looking whether it got the 360-degree. Otherwise, it will keep on looking for the 360-degree, whatever that the gaps it will identify for itself, and that's how it will be having a 360-degree image of the baggage or accessories. Then it will look for any peculiarity, any tag or anything, and then the tag or peculiarity or dent marks or anything which has been put deliberately or otherwise it is existing, that will be stored in the database. Now this information will be used as a different identity of that person. Then since the system is all the time watching that person going, coming and going in, so it will be in position to identify how frequently that baggage is being used. The system would be in position to identify that this is the new acquisition. It means earlier he was not having this bag. So system will know कि इस criminal के पास 25 बैग है. इस दिन इस तारीख को ये बैग यूज करता, शाम को ये बैग करता, शाम को सुबह ये बैग यूज करता है, और जनरली क्राइम कमिट करने के लिए ये वाला बैग ले जाता है. So those kind of the peculiarity has to be identified by the regular feed which is being received from the criminal cluster, and then that feed could be used as a identity to establish the identity of that person and rule, especially when other things are missing. जैसे यदि face missing है, बाकी चीज missing है, तो whether the baggage can also help as a additional tool, not in isolation, to fix that identity of that criminal. So that these are the objectives. I
Yes,
feel
sir.
some greater things has to be done. So what I would suggest that you please record whatever we said, and then you can chalk out a line of action for yourself, and we will revisit beyond our Smart India Hackathon how best we can work on, right?
Right, sir, right.
So is there on any other team which is also available here in your group? How many teams are there in your group?
So currently we are the single team right now. No idea about the others.
Okay.
MS34 other teams.
Otherwise, during competition, how many teams were there?
Total were 4, including us.
Achha, total were four. So,
Yes.
Ashirit, whether anybody is waiting? Any other team is in waiting?
Yes, sir. Sir, our team is also
Okay.
there.
Okay. So what? So I think the participant of present team, they can really quit, and the new team may join, and you people can stay in or in a lobby to see, and the next team they can quickly take over and can demonstrate their product, right? And I hope
Yes.
you were listening and you were also noting those point. So I would like that you can also give your reflections, your views, whatever I have discussed with you, so that we can think of a journey beyond Smart India Hackathon 2020.
Yes, sir.
And I would like to again repeat that you discuss with your faculties and you shared the detail with me. My mobile number and WhatsApp number is 9425606040. I repeat, 9425606040. So you can send the details, whatever I briefed, and you can send the detail of your faculties and people. So even we can think of having a formal MOU with them, and we can work on further refining this module and working for the other modules also, because we are working on a very big canvas. We are working on a canvas of crime-free Bharat. So how best we can use this partnership for devising better solution for the society, and especially making our country crime-free. That is my way of looking at it. So I will request you to hurriedly please you give presentation of your part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, should we start or should we just wait a minute for our other team members?
I think you can start and let them join. I mean, let it be this way.
Okay, sir. Okay, Joseph, can you present
Yes.
the PPT, please?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Start.
Okay. Show it from the beginning. First slide. Okay, sir. So, sir, we made a project where the statement was given baggage and other accessories recognition and compilation in a database software. So, sir, what we did was that we built a API using various machine learning algorithms. What it will do is that there are CCTV footages everywhere. So, through the CCTV footages, the videos that we get, we will just upload that video on our application that we built, and then it will be sent to our API for processing. So what our API or what this application that we build will do is that it will crop the images in it. So जो भी CCTV video गई, from it at the rate of 1 frame per second, it will first extract all the images from it. After this, supposing in a single frame, in a single image that was detected, it will detect what all are the baggages and who all are the persons in this frame. So we will detect them and then we will crop their images and store them in our database. First of all, we'll process them and after that we will store them in our database. So our API will tell us that in the CCTV video or the CCTV footage, in this particular scene, so and so baggages and accessories were found. Unke features ye the, like this was the type of baggage, this was its color, its dimensions were this. Also, who people were present on that scene. So we will detect that people and we will crop its image. We will tell that what color of clothes that person was wearing, what was the color of his pants, what was the color of his shirt, what was the location of that particular image, also the date and time of the scene that happened. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are very much audible. Very much audible. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, sir. So also in that frame, so suppose it's all going to return it in a proper designed front end, so that no one will have any problem in reading the details and all. So basically, a whole CCTV footage will be analyzed by us by our video API that we built, and it will give us the necessary information to give us the lead to start investigating in the right direction. Suppose like there is a crime scene and we know such and such mishap happened at this place. So sir, we will just take the CCTV footage and run it on our API. So it will tell us ki in this video on such and such time, date, place, exact location, such and such people were found. Unki details ye hain. Also, these baggages were found. Unki details ye hain. So this will help us in investigating, and it will help us in catching the suspect or identifying him. At least it will give us some leads. So there are also a few other features that we had wanted to add, but because of lack of time, we could not add, like how the person was thin or he was fat. The person was wearing a jacket or a shirt or things like that. We could detect many other features, although. So, sir, that is our project. Also, sir, it will help a lot in the case of unattended baggages. Like, suppose someone tells us that I lost a bag at such and such place. So we can run the CCTV footage of that place, and it will the person will tell that what was the exact location where he lost the bag, and give us the details. So we will just check our database and we will query our database कि भाई इस जगह इस लोकेशन पे हमने डाला और अब इस लोकेशन पे देख लो क्या कोई बैगेज मिला था ऐसा जो इन डिटेल्स को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. अगर है, so we can easily find that without wasting much of our time and seeing every CCTV footage of those areas and things like that. So that's it.
So, sir, I will show you the demonstration on a video. So, suppose that
Huh, sir. Joseph will show you
I
the
was just
demonstration.
inquiring when I was briefing other team whether you were listening that.
yes, sir.
Okay. So have you noted down the point which
So the
I have
last
explained
team
to
we
the other
listened
team?
for 5 minutes.
Okay. That was an important part when
Pardon,
I was
sir?
explaining that how it should be stored and things like that. Have you heard that or not? I will
Yes, sir.
suggest that
Sir, we have four.
just a minute. Even if you have missed it, it is being displayed live on Crime Free Bharat, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
can go on
Yes, sir.
YouTube channel, whatever the
Yes.
part you have missed, that would be available over there. I
Okay.
suggest that you please listen it
Okay, sir.
carefully, and then you
Yes.
can really create your brief that how you would like to help in future,
Yes.
so that I need not to really explain those dimensions time and again, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That will explain. And since I have repeated my mobile number also 9425606040, your team can get connected in future also, and we can have a further deliberate action, because I don't feel that we should close by this competition alone. We should
Yes,
be
sir.
partner in
Yes,
developing
sir.
much more acceptable solutions. And
Yes.
basically, my journey is not for the baggage recognition, or this is all part project. The bigger journey
Yes.
is
Yes, sir.
Crime Free Bharat. So, by the very term, you can think of that what a bigger goal we have taken for ourselves. And
Yes.
we are not talking of Crime Free Madhya Pradesh, we are
Yes,
talking
sir.
of Crime Free Bharat. So, we are talking of all states, right?
Yes, sir.
So, I think it will be
Yes,
a
sir.
good partnership. And please, you explain your part. Please, you explain, right?
Yes, sir. So
Yes, sir.
suppose,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Thank
this
you.
was the video that was captured by one of our team members. Sir, because we couldn't find any CCTV footage of a person carrying a bag. So, sir, our team member has created this video. So, sir, here
Okay.
is the person who is carrying two bags, small
Okay.
video CCTV footage. And, sir, we will
Okay.
pass it to our algorithm. So, sir,
Okay.
we will choose this file and we will press the submit button, and now it will process the video, and it will, for every second, it will process the persons in the video and all the baggages in the video and all the
Great.
details. So sir, after
So
processing,
basically, they are the two part. One part is the baggage, and second part is the carrier of baggage.
yes sir,
And you have to
Yes, sir.
really take care of both. In one
Yes.
scenario, the baggage
Yes,
is
sir.
already belongs to a criminal or his associate, and in another, he
Yes,
is
sir.
carrying your baggage, right?
yes sir,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sometimes the baggage may be
Yes,
belonging
sir.
to you.
So, sir, we can
It has-
see and compare it.
Correct.
yes. So sir, after processing, it will show the density of the place. So sir, suppose there are many people in the video, so it will show that the place is crowded. So currently in this video there was only one person, so it will say that the place was not crowded, and it will also show the location of the place,
Sir,
which we can, yes sir, which every CCTV camera will
Joseph,
have.
please zoom your screen. Please zoom your screen a little bit so that sir can see clearly.
I can see, no problem. I can independently zoom my screen, so don't worry
Okay
about
sir.
that.
So sir, for first
That
second,
feature is available. That feature is available. So without any help from your side, I can do those things at my end. Okay.
yes
No
sir.
issue.
Yes,
No
yes.
issue. I can see it, and
Okay.
but many times it is not having that kind of
Yes,
the
sir.
clarity. I think you can use some smart filters to enhance its image,
Yes
because
sir.
what it has done, it has just taken out whatever it could capture. Now,
Yes sir.
no filtration or processing of it has been done. So I will
Yes.
suggest that you should use various filters,
Yes, sir.
so that you
Yes.
can enhance the image. At
Yes,
present,
sir.
it is not enhanced image.
Yes, sir.
It's the actual image. है ना?
Yes sir.
So actual should also
Yes,
be there.
sir.
Then your software should enhance this image to bring out better clarity. Then
Yes, sir.
can it look for
Yes, sir.
or analyze the areas where some peculiarity is sitting? So peculiarity may be a wear and tear
Yes,
mask,
sir.
it may be a sticker, or it may be something. So
Yes sir.
you need not, once you have looked to the baggage as a whole, then you should
Yeah.
try to zoom in, and you have tried to really look into the peculiarities in sticker marks and labels and things like that,
Yes sir.
right? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that will help you little more.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So sir, for every second of the video, it will tell the luggage that was detected, and will tell its types. So sir, it is saying that this is suitcase and its color is Indian red. And similarly for this, it will say it is backpack, its color is sea green. And sir, due to limitation of time, we only had 3 days. We could have detected many other features of the bag and as well as for the person. So sir, currently we have detected these features. So for person, it will detect the shirt color and its pant color. Similarly, sir, for all the frames, it will do this processing. And sir, all this information is stored in our database, so we can later query these things.
Basically, our system which we are planning, it is not planning for query. It
Yes.
means all kind of the query will be integrated in advance and in
Yes, sir.
automated format, and then output will be given to the police officer or investigating officer, because
Yes.
we want to do a quality job with a less intelligent, less skilled person.
Yes, sir.
So whatever the queries may come to
Yes, sir.
the police officer, all those queries can be well thought of in advance. Those queries
Yes.
could be run in parallel, and the output so created that can be made available to the investigating officer as a investigation lead. And
Yes.
that investigation lead then further be integrated through the app. So there could
Yes.
be two way of integrating it. One way you are giving as a message or mail or whatever way, that is a
Yes, sir.
communication. But instead of communicating to a person, we can communicate to his app, and that
Yes, sir.
app can take cognizance and integrate in the output, or the it can develop the processes which will help the investigating officer to comply with the investigation lead given by us.
Yes,
If we
sir.
do that way,
Yes, sir.
then probably we would be in position to have a quality output from basically from a less intelligent police officer.
Yes, sir.
So here
Yes,
we are
sir.
not talking of intelligent police officer who can think of everything and then taking help of your software. We are talking of a supra software which will take care of all probabilities, all queries, and generate the lead, generate the evidence, and put them to the court for the, along with the all three certificates which I have said a number of times. That is certificate of
Yes.
admissibility, certificate of integrity, certificate of chain of custody, and so is through the investigation lead also. Earlier, I was having the view that we will be communicating, investigating lead, and there will be a compliance module. Then later on, I have revised my own thinking. Now I am thinking that let our investigation lead should talk to the app, not to the
Yes, sir.
individual, and integrate whatever is expected from the investigator side in their process. So without their application of the mind, we would be in position to ensure its compliance,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For me,
Yes,
I
sir.
feel that is a smarter way of doing it,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes,
because
sir.
what is happening, that police officer may not be intelligent, he may not be skillful. Everybody is having the different set of skill set. Everybody will not be equally smart. What about
Yes.
when that person sitting at the other hand is not smarter? Who is at
Yes, sir.
receiving end? Public is at receiving end.
Yes,
So
sir.
why we should be at receiving end?
Yes.
Can we modify and make our system and processes intelligent so that we are in position to manage with the less intelligent person?
Sir,
Okay.
actually, sir, yes, sir. Sir, actually, police
Yes,
officer
yes, sir.
can use his app or any app that we can build, and he will search that the baggage type is suitcase and its color is red, and then we will look in our database and we will show all the frames that contain that luggage and present it to him, all the
Uh,
location of the camera and the
Yes, sir.
luggage type and all. We can
Great,
present it
great.
to
That
him.
is that
Yes,
is
sir.
that is needed, and that has to go as a identity or as a stamp of that baggage, and it
Yes,
should
sir.
be even
Yes, sir.
encrypted so that nobody
Yes.
should be in position to manipulate that.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Because all the
we
time
have
we have
Yes,
provided
sir.
APIs. Yes, sir. And we have
yeah,
Yes,
provided
sir.
APIs, and the police officer can search the baggage and it will return the frames where that type of baggage was found. All the frames where
Yes, sir.
are
So,
sequencing that
my
baggage.
my
yes, sir.
my feeling would be, can we automate the process to the extent possible? Then wherever that is not possible, we can put the option to the police officer so that they
Yes,
can
sir.
help in our process. And third is, we can take it to the
Yes,
expert,
sir.
and
Yes,
expert
sir.
can also help us to authenticate it, because that will be helping in creating additional evidence. So
Yes.
we do not want the technology should work in isolation. It can work in conjunction with the investigating officer. It can work in conjunction with the expert also. And
Yes.
the expert using the refined tool can give some kind of the certification which will enjoy the higher जो है status
Yes.
and value in the eyes of court,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I had
Yes,
suggested
sir.
certain thing before your group came. What I said, one thing they have done, they done the creation of a baggage, right?
Yes.
By
Sir.
providing options. तो जो आपने कहा कि VIP का बैग है तो बैग के उन्होंने ऑप्शन दे दिए, देन कलर आपने बताया तो कलर दे दिया. So I like this part also because this
Yes,
part
sir.
will be helping to fill the gap when communication is a problem. Assume करिए कि
Yes.
आपका बैग चोरी चला गया.
Yes.
अब तो बैग आपके पास है नहीं. How best
Yes,
you
sir.
can describe your bag? So it means a
Yes.
software may help to create a picture of that your baggage to the best
Yes.
of the possible closeness. तो पहले आपने क्या किया?
Yes, sir.
आपने जो है ना आपका बैगेज किस कंपनी का था, उसके बहुत सारे जो है ना उसको इमेजेस दिखाई, उसने सिलेक्ट किया कि साहब हमारा बैग तो ऐसा था. फिर आपने जो है ना उसमें नीचे कलर का एक ग्रिड दिखा दिया, उसने उस ग्रिड में उस पॉइंट को चुना जहाँ से उसका क्लोजेस्ट जो है ना कलर मिल गया. फिर यदि मान लो आपने स्टिकर लगाने का ऑप्शन दे दिया है या कुछ लगाने का ऑप्शन दे दिया है, तो वो जो है he will try to describe his baggage to the extent possible. This is one way of capturing
Yes,
the
sir.
image closer to the object of your stolen baggage, right? You are
Yes,
trying
sir.
to help out to make a
Yes, sir.
portrait of the lost baggage, number one.
Yes, sir.
Or when we talk of the baggage,
Yes, sir.
we should not miss out on the accessories. Accessories may be
Yes.
watch, accessories may be ring and other
Yes,
things,
sir.
maybe specs or whatever, right? So
Yes,
it is not the baggage alone. You have to read in addition of the baggage accessories also. Number one. Number two जो है, we can जो है advise our citizens from their citizen app. They can store their valuables, their baggage in a normal course or especially when they are traveling. They can capture those
Yes,
things
sir.
and whatever they are capturing, that will be their personally repository. No, it will not go in anybody's database. It should stay with the person. He can only communicate that when he had become victim of a crime. यदि उसके बैग चोरी हो गया तो then he can say I am having this image of my bag and this is the image, and he can give these details along with the FIR. So
Yes, sir.
the system would be can work little more smartly to help out to dig out or fix his baggage. That will be one.
Yes.
So now we got the two entry point. One entry point we got from the portrait building of a baggage, and second we got by जो है 360-degree image capturing by the victim or complainant before it is stolen. Now
Yes.
these are the two different parts. The third part, which is more important, and that is your problem statement. When
Yes, sir.
we are trying to capture whatever the baggages the person is, or especially criminal is carrying. So we know the criminal, we know where he is residing, and number of the CCTV and IoT devices, they are looking at him, and on the real-time basis, his baggages and different angle of the baggages are being captured, and our software will try to create 360-degree image, which may not be sourced from one time capturing. It may be sourced from n number of capturing.
Yes.
कोई सुबह कैप्चर किया, कोई शाम को कैप्चर किया, कोई कल कैप्चर किया, कोई परसों कैप्चर किया. So if he is carrying the same baggage 10 times, there will be 10 or 12 opportunity that each part may flow and may complete 360 degree. Now we may be interested how frequently he is using that baggage. Then we might be interested whether it is a new acquisition. If it is a new acquisition and if it is a costly acquisition, that might indicate that he has committed some crime and he might have purchased this baggage from the proceed. So there are two likelihood.
Yes.
When he is using the baggage, stolen baggage directly, and in second probability, he has sold it somewhere or he has purchased another baggage from the proceed of crime. Now for all these probabilities, we have to make a database, and then we have to use the data analytics as explained by me.
Yes, sir.
So what I feel,
Yes,
अभी
sir.
कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा है, अभी तो केवल स्मार्ट इंडिया का हैकाथॉन हुआ है. we can work beyond the Smart India hackathon. Now you take it as a point I have explained, and whatever you could not do because of the paucity of time, paucity of the data input, that you can now make up. And in normal course of the time, the data feed would be made available. That can even we can request that can flow to you, and then we can put our algorithm. We can try to make our databases, and then we will run it for the real-time basis. So first we will do it for a normal case without nothing having a criminal things. Normally, maybe a railway station or any other places or bus stand, and later on we can apply it to the real database where or on in the basically CCTVs and IoT devices fitted around the criminal cluster, and then the focus will be the criminals. Here the focus may be the normal things which are being captured. तो हमारा बैग चला गया, किसी ने चुरा के ले जा रहा है. So now I have reported कि मेरा बैग चला गया है, मेरा बैग लेके कोई जा रहा है. We are trying to identify that bag, and then we are trying to identify the person who is carrying my bag. This is an accidental thing. But when we are talking of the criminal and we are trying to make a database of a criminal, that is a well thought database building.
Yes, sir.
Right? These are we are talking of these are the 2, 3, 4 dimensions of your problem statement. So your problem statement is not one, it is having many dimensions as explained by me.
Yes, sir.
So your team has done a reasonably job. I think lot of things has to be done, which you yourself you are saying that you could not do because of paucity of time.
Yes.
Now Smart India Hackathon has already concluded. Now you are having plenty of the time. So I advise you to take the journey forward. Right? So without waiting further, you continue the work that the way I have explained. We will be in a dialogue. And we will work beyond this Smart India Hackathon. We are very keen to have a MOU with your institute. We are very, we will be very keen that we would like to allocate the other problem statement, which may not be the part of a Smart India Hackathon, because ultimately this is our country. Let's talk of the country if we can make it a crime-free, and we are working on various statements, which is much beyond the crime-free Bharat also. We are talking of the job and services Bharat. We are talking of herbal, green, nutrition-rich. We are talking of even healthy and medicine-free healthy Bharat. We are talking of machine equipment-rich Bharat. We are talking of creative and think tank Bharat. We are talking of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are talking of milk-rich Bharat. So rather, we will be touching each and every strata of the society, and we are saying we are guaranteeing the 4 revenue stream to each one of them. So there will be a lot of flow of money to everyone. There will be flow to the normal citizen. There will be flow to the students, the person those who will be going for startup and things like that. There will be money flow for the institute. There will be money flow for the faculty also. That kind of a very win-win situation and that kind of vision has been created. So I would like to treat you as a brand ambassador. You go and talk to your faculty over there, talk to your people over there. We will have a formal MOU with them and we will take it forward. Right? Whatever part you have missed, since these videos are available on Crime Free Bharat, it is a live recording and it is live relayed also. So after getting time from here, you go and you can see not only your problem statement, even you can see other problem statement, and you can think of how well we will be integrating it, because at the end, Joanna, these problem statement has been compartmentalized so that later on we can develop integrated solution.
Yes.
I hope it is making sense to you.
Yes.
Sir.
So because of paucity of the time, you could not do things. So now don't stop at this level. Continue. It does not matter whether you are winner or not. That does not matter.
Yes.
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. With this slogan, we will move forward.
Yes, sir.
If you are winner, congratulations from my side. If you are not, still you got a very good exposure, and we are having a way ahead.
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes.
develop and refine our solution, and we will be participating in next year's Smart India Hackathon. Or why Smart India Hackathon? We will create our own patents. We will create our own startup. That is
Yes.
the vision I am having for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So all the
Yes,
best
sir.
to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you,
I
sir.
would like to take the next team if it is available or it is in waiting of the same problem statement.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Asrit, anybody else is waiting?
No, sir. No, sir. Nobody.
Asrit, anybody else is waiting? Because there were 4 teams.
Nobody.
We have
Nobody,
invited
sir.
the 2. Eh?
No one is waiting, sir.
No one is waiting. So then we can close it. And the next